Hey Los Feliz, I'm Sarah Arlington with Rooster Homes. You've probably seen me around your neighborhood, knocking on your door, or you've gotten our postcard with our Adopt a Fire Station 35 fundraiser. We're very passionate about focusing our efforts on supporting our local fire station, which is right here on Hillhurst. I'm excited to be here today with Captain John Davis and exploring the station and seeing what needs to be updated. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so hello Los Feliz, my name's Captain Davis. I'm assigned to your local fire station here at Fire Station 35 on the C Platoon in Los Feliz. When we're away from our families, we come here to the firehouse to live. 24 hours are our shifts, but sometimes we're here days at a time. So this truly is our home away from home, and we take a lot of pride in our home. There are areas of the station that do have some deferred maintenance that we would like to address, and some areas are very critical to maintaining the station life here. So if you guys would like to come inside, we'd love to show you around.
Captain Davis. Well, there's a lot that really needs improving, and we really are grateful for the community for pitching in and supporting the fire station. Thanks for showing us all the areas that need improvement.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for coming in, and thank you for coming to take a look at our house.
I'm Sarah Arlington with Rooster Homes, and when we serve, you succeed.
Thank you, Los Feliz.